Hey guys, welcome to English Test World. There are 10 questions in this video, whose answers will be shown after 5 seconds. If you need more times, pause the video and answer later. Let's start. Question 1. When, do, did, will you go on a vacation? When will you go on a vacation? The correct answer is will. Question 2. How big apples? How many apples? How much apples have you eaten? I have had 3. The correct answer is many. How many apples have you eaten? Question 3. Do you watch any movies with TV, on TV, in TV? Do you watch any movies on TV? Question 4. Don't disturb me. I'm studying, I studying for an important exam. I am studying for an important exam. Question 5. Did, do, have you ever seen a castle? Have you ever seen a castle? The correct answer is have. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you. Question 6. When he well done, he shouted, with help, to help, for help. The correct answer is 4. Question 7. I have known James since many years, for many years, by many years. The correct answer is 4. Question 8. How long ago? Where do you get married? Did you get married? Have you get married? The correct answer is did you get married? Question 9. Nora has lived, was living, lived in London for 10 years. Nora lived in London for 10 years. Question 10. He is Mrs. Jetsons a husband, the husband, or Jason's husband? He is Mrs. Jetson's husband. Congratulations, the exam is over. Please comment your score for me. Thank you. See you later.